Alright, well, the FR 370 didn't quite get the best reception out here today because weather conditions aren't, well, perfect outside for a test. I think it has to be a little bit more cloudy to get a better signal, but otherwise it didn't quite recognize the message, so that's why it's scrolling with the unrecognized message scroll. And I even brought the 12993 out here, which didn't activate at all. So this 12993 needs a much clearer signal in order to activate. So this was the last KAC 91 test of the summer EAS season. I return to school tomorrow, and next we go to the main Seattle tests, last of the summer EAS season. Thank you guys for watching.